Hey everyone, today is February 16th, 2023. I'm Ian with Solitude Ski Patrol, and this is Solitude Chatter. All right, over the last week, we've picked up 6 inches of snow. It brings us 431 inches for the season to date. Currently, the sun's out. Got some nice sunny weather up here. We also currently have all gates open. 100% of our terrain's open today, and it has been the last couple days. We anticipate that 100% terrain for the next couple days also, until we start getting impacted by the next weather system. It appears that we'll be impacted Sunday through midweek by a storm system. Anywhere from 6 inches to 2.5, 3 feet of snow anticipated coming our way. So we'll see how it all pans out, but that should be nice. Get some powder skiing in. Also, this weekend is President's Weekend. We've got a holiday going on. With that, we have Torchlight and Fireworks after the resort closes down on Saturday. So that'll be around 6:30-ish, somewhere in there. And tomorrow is our 100th day of this season. Wow, 100 days already. We've still got a lot of the season ahead of us. We've just broken our halfway point, so we'll see what the rest of the season brings. Sounds like it's gonna start off with a bang with those fireworks and with some snow coming our way. All right, well, that's all I have. We'll see you up here on the slopes.